Hey curl friends, it's me, Naturally Sage. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any natural hair content. I created this channel because I want to share my natural hair knowledge with you guys, as well as spread hair positivity and hair love, because I believe that all natural hair is good hair. All natural hair is good hair. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking down and doing my full wash day on these mini twists. I've had them in for about 2 weeks and it's kind of rough, honestly. Like, I don't know if I didn't do a good job of taking care of them, but I really only oiled my scalp twice. And I mean, I slept on a satin pillowcase and wrapped my hair every once in a while, but that's about it as it pertains to maintenance. But this is what we've got. I mean, the twists themselves still feel nice and bouncy and nice and moisturized, which is always great. I want to really show you guys where we're at. This is what the twists look like themselves. I'm going to be using a product that I've never used before. I just got this package from CONNET Naturally, and I really wanted to try this line by Fro.ology. They have this rice water line, and they've got a deep conditioner, a leave-in, and a shampoo. I love that they put it in this bag because I don't know about you guys, but I've experienced having products come exploded to me many times. So I love when brands take the time to like actually package their products nicely and as if they've ordered natural hair care products before. I'm really excited to see how this is going to work because I've never used any sort of rice water in my hair before, and I've seen a lot of people talk about the benefits of rice water, so I'm curious to see how my hair is going to do. First thing that I'm going to do is just get in the shower, use the shampoo. I'm going to be making sure that I am shampooing in sections and detangling my hair as I go and trying to minimize breakage as much as possible. Once I get back in the shower, I'll check back in with you guys and we're going to start the deep conditioning process. Let's do that over and over again. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I ended up leaving my twists in because I thought it was gonna shorten time as well as give me a chance to really focus on my scalp. And I used my little scalp massager in the shower. This thing is seriously amazing. I actually think that this shampoo did a really nice job cleansing my hair. At one point, it was kind of hard for me to tell when I looked in the mirror if my hair was lathered, but when I actually felt it, I could tell that it was nice and lathered at the scalp. So this is kind of, I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking my twist down. The way this product smelled was absolutely amazing. It contains peppermint oil, which is really good for the antifungal and antibacterial properties for your hair. And if you notice that my face is greased up and my under eyes are light, that's my business. Dang it, guys. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have worn a black shirt because it makes it really hard to see my hair. Let me show you guys what's what looking like. Can you see? I can just feel that my strands are super clean. Wow. If you feel like your twists are really tattered and like near your scalp there's a lot of frizz, I would be careful when you go to wash your hair because it's just a little bit tough to take my twist down. I have to be mindful because it feels like now that my hair is stripped and clarified that I could possibly break it off if I'm not careful when I'm taking these down. So just be aware of that as you're kind of deciding whether or not you want to wash with your twist in or with your twist out. Look at my curls. Okay. Ooh. Wow, my hair feels so nice right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just take myself a small little lunch break and I'll be back to apply my deep conditioner soon. What is wash day without some breaks, right? All right, y'all, I am back. This is what my hair is looking like. It's been about 2 hours since I left you guys. First thing I'm gonna do is just section my hair off, get it nice and wet with some water, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fro.ology deep conditioner. I was super shocked by the consistency of this deep conditioner. It's like whipped, like it's super thick and it kind of feels like a whipped shea butter type deal. It's really nice, and the slip was on par with what I'm used to. Now I'm just gonna detangle my hair starting from the bottom up, and then when I'm finished I'm gonna twist off each section. Nothing too different from my normal technique. Now that I got everything applied, I don't know where my heat gel cap is, so I'm just going to be adding this plastic bag and this microfiber towel in order to add some heat and open up that cuticle. Okay, I just got out of the shower for the last time today. Thank goodness. You guys, I am not disappointed in this deep conditioner at all. Like, do you see that? Oh my, it felt so soft in my hair. When I went to rinse it out, it just like fell off my hair. My hair feels so soft. I don't know any other way to explain it other than like this is how my hair is supposed to feel after it's been shampooed and deep conditioned. Oh Lord, I haven't seen my hair in 2 weeks. Okay, so the last step that I have to do tonight is put my leave-in conditioner in. You guys, I am tired. I do not want to do it. I honestly just want to take cute pictures of my hair, put it in a bun, and do everything tomorrow because I know that I'm going to be installing a protective style at the same time, and I just don't have that in me tonight. I haven't even chosen the style that I want to do, and I'm just feeling... I'm going to be honest. I had chicken nachos on my break. Yesterday, Tristan and I made a homemade pizza. And something about me, apparently, that, I didn't even really know is that my stomach doesn't do well with a lot of cheese. So having 2 meals with cheese in a row is not agreeing with me in the ways that I would have liked. Therefore, I do not feel like filming and doing my hair any longer. I want to chill, I want to crochet, and I want to play with my dogs. What will it be? That's my dog playing with his bone right now. You know what, y'all? I think I should call it a night, because something that I've learned when it comes to having natural hair is that you can't force it. When you force taking care of your hair and you make yourself do it at times where you're tired, you don't feel well, and you just generally don't want to do your hair, I feel like that turns it into a chore. So I'm not going to force myself to do my hair tonight. And I encourage you guys to do the same thing. When you're not feeling it, just don't do it. I always give myself at least one extra day when it comes to wash day. So if I don't feel like finishing it on that Saturday, I can just finish it up on Sunday. And honestly, that makes my wash days so much easier, knowing that I'm not going to make myself do something that I don't want to do. I will check back with you guys tomorrow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I needed a whole 48-hour break. I just got in the shower and wet my hair with some warm water so I can kind of open up my cuticle and get my hair ready for this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the Fro.ology Rice Water Leave-In Conditioner to go along with the rest of the line. Y'all, I know y'all see my hair right now. Still looking pretty moisturized from this deep conditioner. I will say I ended up using pretty much the entire tub. That's pretty much how much I have left. So if I want to use it again, I'm going to have to buy it again. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with this deep conditioner though. I applied it on Tuesday night, and then on Wednesday night, I did my man's hair, so I didn't do my hair. And then now today is Thursday, and all I did was really just kind of wet my hair and lightly finger detangle it in the shower. And it still feels pretty nice, which is great. So I'm just going to be going pretty quickly through my hair. I'm going to be sectioning it off, detangling it, and applying the leave-in as we go. Nothing really special here in regards to technique. Just make sure that you're detangling in small sections and starting from the bottom and then kind of working your way up so you can minimize that breakage. You know what? You guys just watch me apply my deep conditioner, and I feel like it's going to be boring to watch me detangle my hair again. So I'm just going to come back when I have my hair all detangled and my leave-in all applied. All right, I know I said I wasn't going to come back, but I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the product while I finish up here. Initial kind of reaction to the actual product itself was the smell is amazing. It smells super natural and it smells strong, I will say that, but it's not like that perfumey strong where they made up the fragrance. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense, but to be honest with you guys, I wasn't super impressed at first by the thickness of this product, because I usually tend to go for leave-ins that are really, really thick, because that seems to moisturize my hair the best. So I'm not sure how that is going to play out in the days to come. So we'll have to just kind of find out if my hair is still moisturized or not. But I will say the slip for this product, I'm not even kidding you guys when I say I got this applied in maybe 30 minutes, which is Olympic time for me. I usually take about 45 minutes to an hour to get my leave-in all applied and my hair all detangled. So this is like some warp speed. And another thing that I liked is that I'm almost done with my whole head, and focus. The product isn't too low. It's like right here. So I'm definitely going to be able to use again, which is always a plus. It's hard when you have a lot of hair and, ooh, my bad. It's hard when you have a lot of hair and you use 8-ounce products in one sitting. It's like, dang, man, I really like that product, but I gotta buy a whole nother thing and then use it all in one thing. I need more product, y'all. I need like some 36 ounces. I do have my eye on a couple products that I've seen come in the Big Daddy size, and that's the size that I need to be getting, because these 8-ounce things are just a little bit small for the amount of hair that I have. I'm sorry, hair companies. I know that y'all are just doing it because that's probably the most profitable way, but some of us thickies need more help than just 8 ounces. So right now I'm basically just getting my hair ready for another protective style. So I'm not doing anything special with the parting or anything like that. All I'm trying to do is get my hair moisturized and ready to be installed in another protective style. Like, do you see how this is just like butter? I didn't even put any product in it after the deep conditioner. Just let it dry. Ooh, let it dry for the 2 days. And at first I kind of felt bad, honestly, waiting for 2 days. I was just telling y'all about how I don't want to force myself to do my hair. So I gave myself the 2 days, and if y'all don't know, I'm doing a 6-month protective style challenge. So that's why I kind of felt bad, because I was like, you're supposed to be in protective styles for 6 months. And honestly, it's just unrealistic for me, and probably for some of you guys too, to say that like you're going to wash and deep condition and detangle and apply your leave-in conditioner and install a whole protective style all in one day. Like, that's just unrealistic for me. So even though I had the 2 weeks off, it still is too much to be doing that much hair in one day. Oh, beautiful. What a good feeling. Okay. So, as you probably guessed, I'm going to take a little break. I need a break, okay? I'm tired. I've been doing a lot lately. No, I'm not going to tell you guys about that yet, because it just makes me upset to think about. Okay, y'all. We are all moisturized. I'm going to be writing... No, don't put that on myself. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. I definitely would recommend trying these products. If y'all have any questions, like always, you can go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Sage. Cut the cameras. Cut the camera.